Hello everyone, I'm Fitria Salsabila, and today I would like to present an absorbing article about whether or not we can infuse technology like iPad into the English second language classroom, because these days a technology-driven culture has become a big part of students' lives, and technology itself can be a catalyst for motivating them to work. This article is written by Kaula Ahmed and Umayma Nasser, and the author addresses three key points. The first point is why the iPad, and the second point is information on apps that have been used in English second language classroom, and the third point is information to guide English second language teachers in choosing apps for transformative lessons. I would like to start with the first key point, that is why the iPad. Firstly, it is highly engaging lesson. iPad hardware has an interesting multi-touch interface and interaction with the text. By using iPad, we can also capture the student's imagination. And the content in iPad is the same as a textbook, but the layout and pictures go beyond static images. Secondly, it is communicative and collaborative learning. The iPad has wireless accessibility, which means the interaction between English language learners and teachers has no bounds. And thirdly, iPad has ability to foster creativity and learners' autonomy. The iPad paves the way more effective learning by using project-based instruction. And iPad creating projects uh, facilitated by use technology allows English language learners to take control of their own learning. Fourthly, iPad has portability and quick and easy access to resources. The iPad has everything that English language learners need in one digital package. It is used by students for convenience, portability, communication, information gathering, note-taking, reading, and interactive work. Fifthly, iPad has thousands of applications that designed to be used for teachers. A quick search among the plethora of applications available in App Store produces a list of thousands of applications that manufacturers claim were designed to be used as resources for teachers. And we move on to the second key point, which contains applications that have been used in English second language classroom. If we want to make books, we can use Creative Book Builder or Scribble Press. If we want to make presentation, Keynote and Nearpod are effective options. If we want to create movie and edit them simply, we can use iMovie. If we want to edit our pictures, making flashcards, making tools for learning activities, we can use Pic College, Puppet Pose, Poplet, and Quizlet. If we want to improve our grammar's ability, we can use Pearson Grammar Lab. And the last key point is information to guide English second language teachers in choosing application for transformative lessons. There are two models. The first model is using substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. It assists educators to rate application according to their function as well as their impact on teaching and learning specific contexts. Substitution means the lesson is carried out the same way as in a traditional classroom but with the use of technology. For example, English language in textbooks published by Oxford University Press. Augmentation means choosing application to supplement the lesson, and these applications are designed to enhance the learning process. For example, the free Pearson Grammar Lab application. Modification and redefinitions. This means application allow English second language learner to reach a transformational stage in teaching and learning process. It can be suited to the specific goals and purposes of an individual and teacher could do to meet the learning needs of a student. And second, by creating student-centered lesson plan at the transformational level. Projects in this lesson plan enable transform the learning in the second language classroom and represent the ultimate concept of student-centeredness. For example, project-based lesson and learners created materials. In summary, infusing technology like iPad into the English second language classroom is one crucial element that renders the lesson more engaging, multifaceted, and diverse. But first, teachers should build confidence and comfort with the iPad by employing the information that they learn about the application and putting it into the practical use. Teachers can move to the step of brainstorming ideas in which application can be used in the English second language lesson in order to make the learning more effective and profound. Technology itself doesn't guarantee effective pedagogical and practice and should not be used just for the sake of using it. It should be coupled with the sound content knowledge and effective teaching methodologies in order to enhance the learning environment and render the classroom more robust and enjoyable along the achievement of greater outcomes.